Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with coupons to print. I always tell you guys this, but I print my coupons on Swagbucks. It's the same as the coupons.com website. It's just another website where you get extra points. I do have a link below, but I always print one set of coupons on Swagbucks and my other set of coupons on My Points. I have two different accounts to print coupons. And you get points. Today you get 2 points for printing every coupon, and then you get 25 points for every coupon redeemed, but it does take a couple months. So that's how I save up for a free Christmas, because you can redeem to get gift cards. So just want to give you guys a heads up on that. But here they got a lot of the same coupons that have been around for a while, which is fine, and I have a feeling a lot of these might go away. So if you guys are interested in printing them, print them off, because today is the last day of the month. Some of these might reset, some of them might disappear. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. They did add this this $2 off got to be coupon. I'm not printing it off because I haven't seen really any good deals for that. And they usually put the new ones down in the middle. But here we got Clorox. We got $1 off of 2. I'm just going to print that off. 50 cents off of Cotton Now. Here we have $1.50 off of Clorox 2. 50 cents off of Scott. 50 cents off of Viva. We got the Zyrtec. Here we got Children's Zyrtec Edge or Skintimate Shaving Cream. Another 50 cents Scott. Now you guys can get some deals with paper towels at Walgreens right now with those 50 cent off coupons. Here we got $1 off Lady Speed Stick or Men's Speed Stick. I barely ever get those coupons, so I'm going to print those off anyways. Miralax, $1 off Benadryl. Here we got 50 cents off Clorox. Polydent, Cotton Now 50 cents. Sure or Super Polygrip. Biotine. I'm going to print that off. Sometimes there's deals with that. Otherwise, this is all the older stuff. Nothing else really new, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that. And if you haven't already, definitely print off this $2 Colgate coupon. The Neutrogena, there's a candy one, and then there's $1 off this Clorox, and there's the buy one get one, and then there's also the Glade if you guys haven't printed those off. So just want to give you a heads up, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.